Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. We're back out today. We're putting my new foams to the test on my Proline trenchers. I've bought a set from the States. I think they're called squid inserts. Basically, they're like a dual stage, so you've got a softer outer and a harder inner, which obviously doesn't give you any side roll. So yeah, just putting it through the test around my local woods. It's rained quite a bit in the last 2-3 days, so I'm not sure how much of a test this is going to be, but at least it'll give him an idea how the conformity is with these foams. So yeah, let's get on it. Yeah, that's very nice conformity there. And then side roll. None. That's awesome. A little bit of a squeak in the rear. I'm not quite sure what it is. I put the car up on the air and it doesn't do it, and it only seems to do it under slight load. I have a funny feeling it might be the bearing on the rear output shaft. Sticks galore around here. It is a forest after all. Yeah, as I said, I don't know how much of a test this is going to be because stuff is quite wet and muddy, but oh yeah. Yeah, these tyres are with these foams are doing really good. Really good. At least the sun is out today. I was up here yesterday. I didn't record anything, but don't know. Yesterday was one of those. I'm sure all of you have had at one stage that you just haven't got the feel for the car. Strange, hard to explain. Just wasn't feeling it. Yeah, definitely got a squeak up here somewhere. Look at these tires. And I'm in a bad shape. As you do. Yeah, that slight squeak is annoying. Never mind. Get that looked at later on. Yeah, lovely. Nice side roll on the turn. I just made it up there off camera, so can we repeat the feat? We'll find out soon enough. Not like that. Gotta get a hook up top. Oh yes. Wow. That was not easy. very, very slippery here. Everything coated in moss and still wet. Anyway, let's go to another. Right, here we are. Another little nice area to play around. God, everything's so overgrown. Unfortunately, that hides some of the trails, but no matter. Caught on the rear axle there quickly. Yeah, definitely got a squeak there in the rear. Yeah, wow. Things are definitely a little bit slippery here today. Easy. Nice. Yeah, these tyres are working great, guys. Honestly. Let's see what we can do around here. Ooh, nice pull. Very nice pull. And still that annoying squeak persists. Ah, interesting, Mr. Bond. Ah, it's more like it. This one might require a little bit of a bump. Yeah, it will. And I'm stuck. Yeah, I got proper stuck on that one, didn't I? Oh well, it does happen from time to time. In for a crash. Is he gonna go up this one? Just a little too slippery right at the beginning there. That's a shame. Yeah, certain areas, once you get a few days of rain, that's it. You're a bit stuffed. Oh yeah, these tyres doing... bonk. Wow. Interesting, isn't it? Something that normally climbs up really easily. That's what I'm talking about. Lovely. Right, let's go to another location. Oh yes, my lovely tree route. I like to come here, as you guys probably can tell. There is a little line that I've started doing with this car, which I'm going to try and show you guys in a second. It's one of those that I couldn't believe you could actually make it, but you did. And yes, I am doing one-handed driving as always. Yeah. So basically, up here, up there, round the top with this branches, and then come back down through there. Let's do this. Not like that. Let's see if I can do this in one. Check this out. Excellent. I don't care what anyone says, that was cool. And if you ask, no, I can't do it the other way around. It's just too steep. This car's a bit top heavy because of the shell. My other car, the Mauler, he can do it, but not this one, sadly. But hey, he's not 100% crawler really, let's face it, it's more like a trail truck that happens to be a reasonable crawler. To a point. To a point where the shell just goes, no, I can't do that. Well, my thoughts on the tyres, because obviously this is the purpose of the, in brackets, test. Yeah, they work. And if anyone asks, yes, I would recommend them. $50 US. What was that, about 45 quid? Obviously you've got shipping on top of that, but yeah, worth the money, that's for sure. Well, worth for me anyway. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to leave it here for today, otherwise it's quite a long video. Thanks for stopping by. Leave a like or a comment down below if you like the content, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Thanks very much. We'll catch you on the next video.